Hey guys, what's up? This is Frank and we are here in Philippines and this is John.
Hello.
So right now we're doing something today. We're gonna give some tracks distribution to all the people here and we are so excited. So John, what's going on today?
We prepared today to go to the city hall. We will go to the park.
Yes.
We will go also to the Catholic Church here.
Mhm.
Maybe we will do also a gospel presentation.
That's right.
We will share the gospel to them, and we expect also what God did to Apostle Peter and John when they share the gospel to them and share the good news of Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Why he came here, and we expect also to do by God's grace,
Amen.
do signs, wonders, and miracles also.
It's true. So we don't have anything but we have
Jesus Christ.
yeah, so we're so excited. So just check this and may the Lord bless you today. See you.
God bless. Yes.
So right now we are here in Ligao City municipalities in my left hands. And in my right hands, this is the Ligao City Park. And this is the Ligao City Catholic Church. Hey guys, this is Frank again. So it's 9 p.m. And we are here in our home sweet home. So what's going on? What happened today, John?
Um, a tired day, but it's a blessed day for us. Amen. Because in our personal life, we experience how faithful is God to all His servants who just obey Him and just share how God changed our life. We do prayer walks. We surround the capital city and also the Catholic Church. We do also street evangelism. We share to the students, to the people, and even we share to a lady, and she cried. We believe because she felt the presence of God, and because God is so faithful to her and to her family. We also share gospel to the streets children. So, and we also now we open two new Bible studies for children and for young young people, and so I lead it. So it's a blessed day, and we want to thank God and glorify Him for what He did here in Ligao and also in our personal life.
Amen. To God be the glory. So, thank you for watching this. So, if you want more, just continue to log in and watch these websites. And may the Lord bless you.
God bless.
God bless.